Good morning students, welcome back to Gopi Krishna online classes. Okay, so in previous classes we discussed about pressure. Yes, what we discussed there? Definition of pressure. What is mean by pressure? Force acting on unit area is called as pressure. So we can denote with F by A. Okay, so formula of pressure means we can write as force by area. SI unit of pressure Pascal or Newton by meter square. What is the unit of force? Unit of force is Newton. Unit of area is meter. So we can write as pressure unit as Newton by meter square. So next coming to the certain characteristics of this pressure. How pressure will exert on liquids and gases. Okay. So in this liquids and gases both show exerts pressure. Okay, so in this what we discussed, liquids exerts pressure. Okay, so in this now I am going to show an activity for you. Liquids exert pressure in downward direction. Okay, so next if you take liquids will show that equal pressure on equal depth. Liquids shows unequal pressure on unequal depth, or here we can take as the height. I will show activities to you how liquids will show that pressure. So coming to that, the first one, here you have to take, okay, first I will draw diagram, observe this. So what I am going to show to you, so we have to take one glass of water completely up to the brim. You need to fill water completely. Okay, so take one thick sheet of paper or like cardboard paper, not that much thick. Okay, so you should take little bit thick cardboard paper, like after that press it completely. You need to invert it. You need to invert it. So what will happen? What will happen? Can this water will falls down from the glass? No. Why water will not falls down? Because liquid also showing pressure here along with the atmospheric pressure. Yes or no? Atmospheric pressure also is there. Atmospheric pressure also is there here. Okay. So I will show to you experimentally. Observe that carefully. Okay. For that, first we have to take glass. Okay. Fill this glass with water. So, I taken glass of water completely, I filled completely. Then you need to take like a cardboard and keep it like this, and what you have to do? You have to press it like this very tightly. Force we need to apply here. After then, just you do like this. Now you can see water is not falling down. Yes or no? Means here what? Two types of pressure we can observe here. One from the atmosphere to, so this cardboard is there here. So this is getting the pressure. Along with this, inside water is there. Water also exert pressure on this. So paper, whatever we taken here, cardboard paper, okay, it is not getting to fall down. At the same time, water is not falling down. Yes or no? So from this what we can understand? Liquids are exerting pressure. Yes or no? Okay, from this we can understand liquids exert pressure. Okay. Okay, next go with that. Second activity. So what is that? Equal pressure and equal depth. For this also we need to take one bottle, plastic bottle. Mark one line with the help of a scale here. After that, make 3 or 4 holes for this plastic bottle. So that what will happen? Equal depth, equally we are making holes. After, apply one plaster on this, okay, so that water will not spill out. Pour water into this. After pouring water into this, immediately you remove this plaster. What we can observe? Water will comes out from the holes. Equal force, we can observe equal force, pressure. So equal pressure will exert from each hole too. Equally pressure will, water will comes out with equal pressure. I will show to you this also. For that, take plastic bottle, okay. So for this bottle, what you should do? You have to make hole. For this already I kept holes, okay. So 3 or 4 holes you need to keep here. After, you have to paste plaster for this. Why? Because when we are pouring water, water should not come out. That's why we need to pour in. After then, what you have to do? Take water and fill it. Okay. So we fill water. After filling this, immediately what you should do? You have to remove this plaster. You have to remove this plaster from this, so that we can observe equal force we can observe from each hole. Yes or no? Equally coming water from the holes. So from this what we are going to observe? Here what we are going to observe? So we kept holes at equal depth. So from each hole to water exerting pressure equally. Okay. So next coming to that, unequal pressure on unequal depth. So for that, take okay, so take one empty bottle, and for this also at different heights make holes for this, different heights. One hole here, one hole here, one hole here, one hole here, like that you have to take, you have to make holes for this. After that, okay. So after filling this, I am going to remove this plaster what I arranged here. Then you observe. So what you are going to observe? from the first hole to water is coming out very forcefully, second hole somewhat less, third hole somewhat less. Means what? At a different heights the pressure also showing differently. First hole, you observe the first hole more forcefully water coming out, yes or no? So at a different height we are making holes at different heights, so it shows the different pressure on these. Okay. Okay, so here what you have to learn, what is mean by pressure. Pressure definition you have to learn, formula and its units. Units also you have to learn. What are the units? Pascal or Newton by meter square. So then certain character means how liquids are showing or exerting pressure on the substances. Okay, thank you. I will continue in the next class.